Hello, hello. Today we are going to speak about subqueries. And sometimes SQL needs to answer one question before it can answer another one. And that's exactly what a subquery does. Let's take a look at our first query. What if we want to know the employees who earn more than the company average? For this reason, we need to get the average salary first of all. For this task, we get average salary from employees, so salary, and we need to get the average. Let's check. Here we are. And to get the employees who earn more than the company average, we simply do our usual query, select employee name, salary from employees, and then we add the filter, but instead of the content value, we put our subquery. And to get our results, let's run it. By the way, all the sample data queries are attached in the description. Feel free to check. And here we are. We have Alice, David, Grace. Perfect. But what if we want to show the employees who earn more than the average salary in their own department? For this task, we have the same select average salary from employees, but we need to add the filtering, where department of this query is the same as we have for the parent query. So when we process the value for, let's say, Alice, we check her department, we take the average salary for her department. Alice works in IT department, so it takes IT department. And then when we check David, we do the same for David's department and so on. This part is absolutely the same to what we have in the filter. I simply added it to the displayed column just to check what do we have. So our results. And here we are. We have our employees, and the salary should be greater or, in our case, or equal, but if you want just to have greater, you put only greater than, and then you get the needed results. Check the results once again. Okay, no HR because we want to have greater than, not greater or equal. Okay, and if you want to show departments whose average salary is above the company average, in our case it should be IT and marketing, because we have average salary, what we already calculated just a few minutes ago. We have this number. And for this reason, we just need to do our simple query select department, get the average salary, as long as we are grouping by department. So we get the average salary for the department. And then we need to compare to the average salary, what we get here. By the way, if you want to learn more about group by or having, please check this video. And let's take a look at the result. Voila, we have marketing and IT. If you want to know just the average salary of each department, we simply run it without the filter. And we have our departments. Sorry, quick interruption. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, or leave a comment. If you have any ideas for the future video, please let me know. And the final query. Show the highest paid employee from every department. So we do the very similar thing. We select max salary instead of the average salary from employees, do the known check of the department as we did it in the previous query, and then select all from employees. This part is the same as we have here. I simply wanted to check whether everything is correct. And let's run it. And here we are. Thank you so much for watching.